Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit salad dessert. First, select a vibrant assortment of fresh, ripe fruits. Aim for at least 5 different colors to create a visually stunning dish. Choosing fruits that are currently in season will ensure the best possible flavor and value. Consider a mix of berries, melons, and citrus for a balanced taste and texture profile. This careful selection is the foundation of a truly delightful fruit salad. Next, let's prepare our chosen fruits. Begin by washing all your fruits thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. For fruits such as oranges, kiwis, and bananas, gently peel away their skins. Then, carefully cut all the fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1-inch cubes. This ensures every spoonful is easy to enjoy and offers a consistent texture. Now for the secret to a truly exceptional fruit salad: the dressing. A simple yet effective dressing can elevate the natural flavors of your fruits. Squeeze the juice of one fresh lemon or lime over your prepared fruits. This adds a wonderful brightness. Then, drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup for a subtle, natural sweetness that perfectly complements the fruit without overpowering it. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently combine all your prepared fruits with the dressing in a large mixing bowl, ensuring every piece is lightly coated. Once mixed, cover the bowl and place your fruit salad in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. Serving it cold enhances the refreshing qualities, making it a perfect dessert or a light, healthy snack for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.